If you are traveling in 2025 and you are quite worried about your checked luggage getting lost or tampered with, you can be rest assured that you are not alone. Every year, millions of bags go missing or fall victim to theft. It is a scary thing thinking, "Oh my God, my bag could actually get stolen." But don't fret. There are simple steps you can take to keep your belongings safe and sound. Ever wondered how to outsmart those sneaky airport thieves? Or how to make sure your suitcase doesn't burst open mid-flight? We've got the answers. From using TSA-approved locks to wrapping your luggage like a pro, these tips will ensure your bags arrive safely at your destination. Ready to dive into the details? Let's get started. Number 10. Report suspicious activity. First up, let's talk about the importance of reporting suspicious activity. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds like something out of a spy movie, right? But in reality, it's a crucial part of ensuring safety at airports. Suspicious activity can be anything from someone trying to open multiple doors without authorization to someone looking overly nervous and constantly glancing over their shoulder. If you spot something that doesn't sit right with you, it's important to report it to local law enforcement or airport security. They are trained to handle these situations and can take the necessary steps to ensure everyone's safety. Remember, if you see something, say something. It's better to be safe than sorry, and your vigilance could prevent a potential security threat. Now let's break down how you can report suspicious activity effectively. First, make sure you provide as much detail as possible. This includes the location, time, and a description of the person or activity that seemed off. If you're at an airport, you can notify a TSA officer or use the TSA's dedicated phone line for reporting such activities. It's also worth noting that if there's an immediate threat, calling 911 is the best course of action. The key here is to remain calm and provide clear information so that the authorities can act swiftly. And don't worry about being a bother. Security personnel would rather investigate a false alarm than miss a real threat. Number 9. Monitor your luggage. In today's tech-savvy world, technology is your best friend when it comes to keeping an eye on your bags. One of the most effective ways to do this is by using a GPS tracker. These nifty little devices can be tucked inside your luggage and paired with a smartphone app, allowing you to track your bag's location in real time. Imagine the peace of mind knowing exactly where your suitcase is at any given moment. It's like having a personal detective for your luggage. And don't worry, these trackers are small and discreet, so they won't take up much space or add extra weight to your bag. Plus, they're relatively affordable, making them a smart investment for any traveler. But wait, there's more. Another great way to monitor your luggage is by using luggage tags with QR codes. These modern tags can store your contact information and travel details, which can be scanned by airport staff if your bag goes astray. It's a simple yet effective way to ensure your luggage finds its way back to you. And here's a pro tip. Make your luggage stand out by adding a unique identifier, like a brightly colored ribbon or sticker. Not only does this make it easier to spot on the baggage carousel, but it also deters potential thieves who prefer to target inconspicuous bags. So, whether you're jetting off to a tropical paradise or heading to a business conference, keeping tabs on your luggage has never been easier or more reliable. Number 8. Prepare for additional screening. In 2025, preparing for additional screening at airports is more crucial than ever. With the TSA's evolving security measures, it's essential to be ready for anything that might come your way. First off, packing smart is key. Start with an empty bag to ensure you don't accidentally bring prohibited items. This means checking every pocket and compartment before you even begin packing. The TSA's 311 rule still applies, so make sure all your liquids, aerosols, and gels are in containers of 3.4 ounces or less, packed in a quart-sized, clear plastic bag. This simple step can save you from unnecessary delays and stress at the checkpoint. Also, remember to pack your electronics on top for easy access during screening. Laptops, tablets, and other large devices need to be placed in a separate bin for X-ray screening, so having them readily accessible will speed up the process. Arriving early is another critical aspect of preparing for additional screening. With the introduction of new technologies and procedures, lines can be unpredictable. Giving yourself plenty of time not only reduces stress but also allows you to navigate any unexpected hurdles calmly. It's recommended to arrive at least 2 hours before domestic flights and 3 hours for international ones. This buffer gives you ample time to check in, go through security, and handle any additional screening without the pressure of a ticking clock. Plus, Arriving early means you can take advantage of TSA pre-check lanes if you're eligible, which can significantly expedite the screening process. Remember, patience is a virtue, especially when dealing with airport security. Lastly, staying informed about new checkpoint screening technology is vital. The TSA is constantly updating its methods to enhance security, which means travelers need to stay updated too. From advanced imaging technology to explosive trace detection, being aware of what to expect can help you prepare accordingly. If you're unsure about any part of the process, don't hesitate to reach out to TSA directly via their @AskTSA service on social media or by calling ahead. They can provide real-time information and support, ensuring you're as prepared as possible for your journey. And if you have specific needs or concerns, such as traveling with medical equipment or disabilities, contacting TSA Cares can offer additional assistance tailored to your situation. So keep these tips in mind, and you'll be well prepared for any additional screening that comes your way. Number 7. Use hard-sided luggage. In 2025, ensuring the safety of your checked luggage is more important than ever. And one of the best ways to do this is by opting for hard-sided luggage. These suitcases are like the superheroes of the travel world, offering a robust shield against the perils of airport baggage handling. Made from materials such as polycarbonate, polypropylene, or ABS, hard-sided luggage provides maximum protection for your belongings. Polycarbonate, in particular, is known for its high tensile strength and durability, making it an excellent choice if you're looking for something that can withstand rough handling. It's like having a personal bodyguard for your fragile souvenirs and electronics. Plus, these materials are often waterproof and stain-resistant, so you don't have to worry about rain or accidental spills ruining your clothes. Another reason to choose hard-sided luggage is its superior security features. Many models come with integrated locks, providing an extra layer of protection against theft. Unlike soft-sided suitcases, which can be easily cut open, hard shells offer a formidable barrier that deters would-be thieves. This is especially reassuring when you're traveling through busy airports where luggage theft can be a concern. Additionally, the sleek, modern design of hard-sided luggage makes it easy to spot on the baggage carousel, reducing the chances of someone mistakenly walking off with your bag. And let's not forget the ease of cleaning. Just a quick wipe down, and your suitcase looks as good as new, ready for your next adventure. While hard-sided luggage might lack the external pockets and compartments found in soft-sided options, it compensates with excellent organization inside. Most hard-shell suitcases open like a clamshell, providing 2 equal compartments for packing. This design allows you to separate your items neatly, keeping clothes on one side and shoes or toiletries on the other. Some models even include additional features like compression straps, zippered dividers, and removable pouches, helping you maximize space and keep everything in place during transit. So, while you might miss those outside pockets for quick access, the internal organization of hard-sided luggage ensures that everything has its place, making packing and unpacking a breeze. Number 6. Arriving early for screening. Arriving early for screening is like giving yourself a head start in a race. It's all about being prepared and avoiding the last-minute rush that can turn your travel experience into a stressful ordeal. When you arrive early, you have ample time to navigate through the airport's security procedures without feeling rushed. This is especially important because airports can be unpredictable places. You never know when there might be a long line at the check-in counter or an unexpected delay at security. By getting there early, you give yourself a buffer to handle these unforeseen hiccups with ease. Moreover, arriving early allows you to go through the security screening process more calmly. The Transportation Security Administration (TSA) has implemented various security measures to ensure safe travel, and these can sometimes take a bit of time. For instance, you might need to remove your shoes, belt, and jacket, and place your electronic devices in separate bins for X-ray screening. If you're wearing bulky clothing, you might even be asked to undergo additional screening. All these steps are crucial for maintaining safety, but they can be time-consuming. By arriving early, you can complete these procedures without the added pressure of a ticking clock. Number 5. Avoid prohibited items. This might sound like a no-brainer, but you'd be surprised how many travelers get caught out by this. The Transportation Security Administration (TSA) has a list of items that are a big no-no in checked luggage. We're talking about things like compressed gases, corrosives, and flammable materials. These aren't just rules for the sake of being rules. They're there to ensure everyone's safety on the flight. Imagine the chaos if someone accidentally packed a canister of butane. By steering clear of these banned items, you're not only avoiding potential fines and delays, but also contributing to a safer travel experience for everyone on board. Plus, who wants to deal with the hassle of having their bag pulled aside for extra screening? Not me, that's for sure. So before you head to the airport, double-check that your bags are free from any prohibited items. It's a simple step that can save you a lot of trouble down the line. Number 4, heavy straps for security. You might think that a sturdy zipper is enough to keep your suitcase closed, but let me tell you, those baggage handlers can be pretty rough. That's where heavy straps come in. These bad boys wrap around your suitcase, providing an extra layer of protection against accidental openings or tampering. Think of them as a seatbelt for your luggage. They're especially handy if your suitcase is bursting at the seams with all those souvenirs you picked up. And here's a fun fact. Some luggage straps even come with built-in locks or personalized ID tags, adding another level of security and making it easier to spot your bag on the carousel. So, next time you're packing, consider investing in a good set of luggage straps. They're a small addition that can make a big difference in keeping your belongings safe and sound. Number 3, wrap luggage in plastic. Wrapping your luggage in plastic provides an extra layer of protection against the wear and tear that comes with air travel. Imagine your suitcase being tossed around by baggage handlers or stacked under heavier bags. It's bound to get scuffed or scratched. The thick, tamper-proof film acts as a shield, safeguarding your belongings from scratches, dings, and even bad weather conditions. It's like giving your luggage a raincoat for those unexpected downpours on the tarmac. Plus, if you're carrying expensive items like golf clubs or wheelchairs, which don't usually come with protective cases, this wrap can be a lifesaver. It keeps everything intact and prevents any additional items from being slipped into your bag without your knowledge, a sneaky trick some smugglers might try. However, while the plastic wrap is a great deterrent against theft and damage, it's not foolproof. If your bag is selected for secondary screening by the TSA, the wrap will be cut open for inspection. But don't worry, companies like Secure Wrap offer complimentary rewraps if this happens, so your investment isn't wasted. Speaking of investment, the cost of wrapping a single piece of luggage in the US ranges from $15 to $35, depending on the size and shape of your bag. Some services even include a trackable sticker, allowing you to keep tabs on your luggage's whereabouts. It's a small price to pay for peace of mind, knowing your belongings are safe and sound. Now, let's talk about the environmental aspect. While plastic wrap does contribute to waste, many airport services claim to use materials that are recyclable and not harmful to the planet. If you're eco-conscious, consider reusing the wrap yourself or disposing of it in recycling bins at the airport. Alternatively, you could invest in a reusable luggage glove, which offers similar protection without the environmental impact. It's all about finding the balance between security and sustainability, ensuring your travels are both safe and responsible. Number 2, remove old baggage tags. First off, let's talk about why removing old baggage tags is crucial. Picture this. You're at the airport, and your suitcase is adorned with a collection of past travel stickers like it's some kind of scrapbook. While it might look cool, it's actually a recipe for disaster. Those little barcode stickers are like tiny GPS signals for your luggage. If you've got an old tag from a previous trip still hanging on, there's a chance the baggage system might read that instead of the new one. Imagine your bag taking a detour to Paris when you're headed to Tokyo. It's like your luggage decided to go on its own vacation. So do yourself a favor and peel off those old tags before you check in. It's a simple step that can save you a lot of headaches. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of how these baggage systems work. Airports have these super smart automated systems that scan the barcodes on your luggage tags to figure out where your bag needs to go. But here's the catch. If there are multiple tags, the system might get confused. It's like trying to follow two sets of directions at once. The system could end up sending your bag to the wrong destination, and nobody wants that. By removing old tags, you're ensuring that the system reads the correct information and sends your bag exactly where it needs to be. Plus, it helps the ground staff do their job more efficiently. They won't have to spend extra time figuring out which tag is the right one, and you'll be on your way faster. It's a win-win. And hey, while we're on the topic, let's not forget about identity theft. Those old tags often have personal information like your name and flight details. Leaving them on your bag is like handing over your personal info on a silver platter. Shredding or disposing of them properly is a smart move to keep your information safe. So, next time you're packing for a trip, take a moment to remove those old baggage tags. Your future self will thank you when your luggage arrives safely at your destination. Number 1. Use TSA-approved locks. When it comes to keeping your checked luggage safe in 2025, one of the best tips is to use TSA-approved locks. These nifty little devices are a traveler's best friend, especially when you're jetting off to destinations where security screenings are as common as airport delays. So, what makes these locks so special? Well, for starters, they come with a universal master key that allows TSA agents to open and relock your luggage without having to cut open the lock. This means you can wave goodbye to the days of finding your suitcase with a broken lock and your belongings scattered like confetti at a parade. The Travel Sentry logo on these locks is like a secret handshake between your luggage and airport security, ensuring a smooth inspection process. Now, let's dive into why these locks are essential for your peace of mind. Imagine this. You're on a long-haul flight, dreaming about sandy beaches or snow-capped mountains, and the last thing you want is to worry about your luggage being tampered with. TSA-approved locks are designed to prevent unauthorized access to your belongings, minimizing the risk of theft or tampering. They're like tiny guardians for your suitcase, standing watch while you enjoy your journey. Plus, they're recognized in over 44 countries and more than 650 airports worldwide, covering 2 billion travelers annually. That's a lot of people who trust these locks to keep their stuff safe. But wait, there's more. These locks come in various styles and configurations, from combination locks to keyed locks, giving you the flexibility to choose what suits your travel style best. Whether you're a fan of spinning dials or prefer the simplicity of a key, there's a TSA-approved lock out there for you. And if you're worried about losing your combination or key, fear not. Many brands offer support for retrieving lost combinations or replacing keys, so you're never left in a lurch. So, next time you're packing for an adventure, don't forget to secure your luggage with a TSA-approved lock. It's a small investment for a big peace of mind. If you really enjoyed this video, let us know in the comment section down below and turn on your notifications to know when next we upload. See you in our next video. Bye.